Hi, my name is Jennifer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the technique for how to do a half double crochet. I've got videos showing you how to do a single crochet, like this one, a double crochet, like this, and half double crochet looks like this. It's very similar to a double crochet. The stitches aren't as big, obviously, but it's a little bit bigger than the single crochet. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What you need is yarn, a crochet hook. We're going to use a 5.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in your ends. First thing that we're going to do is make a slip knot. And the way that I do it is I grab the yarn and make like a loop, and I turn it, reach under, and pull through. Put my hook on the loop, tighten it down. For this, with a half double crochet, some patterns say to chain a certain amount and then add one. Some say to chain a certain amount and add two. I always tend to add two with my half double crochet, so it just depends on what your pattern calls for. But what we're going to do is chain 12, because we're going to add 2 to the end of each of our rows. So what you do to chain is you yarn over, you grab the yarn with the hook and pull it through, and that's 1 chain. Yarn over, pull it through, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you watched my previous video about how to do a double crochet, this will be pretty much exactly the same. So you see all of our chains. We're going to go into the 3rd chain from the hook. So we're not going to go into this one because that's the one that we originally came through. We're going to skip that one. We're going to skip the 2nd one, and we're going to go into this 3rd one. So in order to do a half double crochet, what you do is you'll yarn over, you'll go through the loop of the chain, you'll yarn over again and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. This is exactly the same process as a double crochet, but here's where it gets a little bit different. You'll go ahead and yarn over again, and instead of pulling through 2 loops, yarning over and pulling through 2 loops, you pull through all 3 at the same time, and that is a half double crochet. So we're going to do that again. We're going to yarn over, go into the top of the chain, yarn over and grab the loop, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, go through the chain, yarn over, pull through all 3, or pull through, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3, yarn over, go through the top loop of the chain, grab the yarn, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and you're going to do that down your entire row. Yarn over, go through the chain, grab the yarn, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, through the chain, grab the yarn, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. We're just going to keep doing that down the row. Alright, now we've completed our first row of half double crochet. At the end of the row, what we're going to do is chain 2. So chain 1, chain 2. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to go back right to left the exact same way. We're going to yarn over, we're going to find the hole right here under the V. If you can see that hole right there. We're going to go through and go under both of these V's. You can see all the V's. If you're looking down from the top, you're going to need to make sure that both of the crochet hook goes under both of those. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert into the hole under both V's, grab the yarn, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. That starts making your row. Yarn over, through the hole, under both V's, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3. We're going to do that down the whole row. Well, if I can get it to go. At the end, make sure you grab that last row. The nice thing about crochet, if you make a mistake, you can pull your stitch out. Alright. Now you can see we've got 2 rows of half double crochet. And you would just keep going as long as your pattern called for. I'm going to go ahead and end. So what you do is you grab your scissors, cut off a tail, yarn over, pull it all the way through, tighten it down, then you'll take your yarn needle and take both your tail end and your working yarn end and weave them through your piece so your pattern doesn't unravel. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to do a half double crochet. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel to see all of my upcoming videos. If there's anything that you would like to see me do, or if you're curious on how to do something, let me know, and I will do my best to try to get it for you. Have a great night. Thank you.